different animals eat? What a positively perfect question. Time for some fast and furry facts. Living things like you, me, and this pig wearing sunglasses all get energy from eating other living organisms like plants, fruits, vegetables, and animals. Except no beans for my dad or Fishstick. Gives them the tooth.
Beans, the magical fruit. The more I eat, the more I toot.
Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores, like the rabbit or the cow. Animals that eat only meat are called carnivores, like the mighty lion or our very own Karma the cat. Animals that eat both plants and meat are called omnivores. Humans are omnivores, as we can eat plants and meat. Here is a human chain. The sun gives energy to the grass. The grass shares the energy with the herbivore cow. Then I get the energy from the beef and the bread and the vegetables in a delicious burger with extra pickles.
Dogs can eat fruit and veggies and meat. And I'd like to eat some right now.